5 common mistakes that makes your manhood smaller. 5 common mistakes that makes your manhood smaller. As you can see, this is small. The bigger one will be like this, but this is small. So what are the mistakes that will make your joystick or manhood smaller? So that is what I am going to share with you into this video. 5 possible mistakes. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end. But before I proceed, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men, or you like videos concerning men, you are on the right channel. Consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Before I proceed once again, I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all my subscribers and to my good audience. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching this video. May God bless each and every one of you, those of you that support this channel and those of you that never support. Thank you. As you support this channel, God will always support you in all your life endeavors. I love each and every one of you watching me, or any one of you under this my voice and watching this video. May God bless you. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for supporting this channel. So what are the 5 common mistakes that makes your manhood smaller? The 5 mistakes are: number 1, too much intake of alcohol. Yes, for men that take alcohol, alcohol is very bad, but most people don't know. Alcohol shrinks the cell in our body system, and as it shrinks the cell in our body system, or it also reduces the immune system that will help to make your manhood bigger. It affects the immune system or the nutrients that will help your manhood to be bigger. So the more you take alcohol, the more it shrinks the cell and suppresses some nutrition or nutrients that will nourish your body and makes your manhood bigger. Number 2 is too much smoking of cigarettes. Yes, what alcohol does is similar to cigarette smoking. So the more you smoke cigarettes, the more it harms your liver, your lungs, and other parts of your body. And your manhood is not excluded, because it will also block some veins and arteries where blood flows. And due to this blockage, it will also block the fluid and blood that will go down to your manhood. And you know, once there is movement or there is blood flow to all parts of your body, it will make you to be healthy, and it will also makes your manhood to be bigger. But once there is no blood flow, it will affect your body system and it will also affect your manhood. So avoid smoking cigarettes. Number 3 is dehydration. What do I mean by dehydration? Dehydration is the process whereby your body system lacks water. When you don't have enough water in your body, it will make your skin, your inner body to shrink, and there will be no proper blood flow due to lack or absence of water in your body. Because with water, it will help your body system to transport or transmit one nutrition from one part of the body to the other. But once there is no water, it will not make all these things to transfer or to move from one point to another. So make sure that you drink enough water. If you can't drink water, take fruits that will help in hydration. What are the fruits? The fruits are carrots, watermelon, pawpaw. All these fruits will help for hydration. So dehydration affects your manhood. Once you don't take all these fruits, it will affect your manhood. But once you can take these fruits and drink enough water, as time goes on, you will have a bigger manhood. Number four is lack of exercise. Yes, exercise is very important to every man. With exercise will make you to last longer in bed. Exercise will make you to be physically fit. Exercise will make you to remove toxic fluid from your body. And as you are doing exercise, heat are going out. So that heat is as a result of exercise. And as that heat is going out, it is going out with toxic fluid, and even sugar is going out. So with exercise, it can help you to remove toxic fluid. And so also with exercise, it will help your manhood bigger. So exercise is very important. Even if you can't do strong or powerful exercise, adopt smaller exercises like running, walking, and swimming. These are simple exercises that will also help your manhood bigger. Number 5 and the last is becoming fat. The more you are becoming fat, the more your manhood is going in, and it also makes it to look so smaller, because your fat or your big belly will cover the manhood. So as you are becoming fat, it will affect your manhood. So make sure that you take some natural remedies that will control or terminate belly fat. So fatness can decrease your manhood. I hope you get value from this video, and I hope you do enjoy this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. Thank you for watching, and thank you for stopping by. If you have any comments, put it in the comment section below. I promise that I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Avoid these 5 mistakes to make your manhood bigger. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.